here. So, we're getting this thing ready to take to my boy Preston. He does a crap load for us, bends over backwards. So I wanted to kind of give him a head start. I don't want to just drop this thing off and be like, hey man, fix it. And plus, we want to include y'all so you can see what we're doing to your car, right? So, as he said, if you ask me, I think the battery had to have leaked. If you look at the frame rail over there, and you look at the frame rail over here, complete opposites. This is a California frame rail. Nah, this got a little surface. So that's a Oklahoma frame rail.
Yeah.
And that's a New York frame rail. That mobile, she's straight from Maine. It actually kind of hauls ass.
Does it?
It actually does. Like, that was the first time I've ever driven it at like highway speed and like was just cruising and mad at it and it like downshifted. It was all, and I could hear it just peeling that one tire off over there the whole time.
Rolling burnouts for days in the Mustang.
Yeah. Dude, we should just leave it a one tire fire and we can do like 70-mile-an-hour rolling burnouts. Call it like, say it's something way cooler than it is.
Faster than the hate train. It is right now.
We're gonna do some stock replacement, guys, over here. Nothing crazy. Let's open the box. We don't need a razor blade. We got a saws haul. Nothing crazy. Just some factory replacement rears. Factory replacement fronts, but we're gonna put a whole coil-over deal on it, so it'll be a coil-over conversion.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at this box first. We got our fuel pump, nitrous express, and then we got a 4150 mainline nitrous system right here. We gonna spray up to 150 on this bad boy.
Got enough nozzle to blow himself up, period.
I don't know if we're probably ever gonna spray it, but whoever wins it's gonna spray the house down, I hope.
What are you grabbing this for?
This is my hood opening tool. We ain't never worked on no junk. Yeah, we do. Everything we freaking own is junk. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah? Try that again. Ooh, shit.
Look at that.
That's where they attach it, but I'm gonna chop it like here. That way it's long.
You got your nice new shirt all dirty. How you gonna win this with the dirty shirt?
Man, we're just showing that these work shirts they're not supposed to be work shirts, but it's a work shirt. It was putting in work shirt.
Yeah.
It's durable and tough. See that? It'll withstand working on Lsswap Mustangs.
Does not hide beer gut.
Shut up, dude.
Does it come with these?
Burnout car is coming, dude. It has to. I went to LS Fest. The crowd around the burnout pit was just insane. And
they're putting in a burnout pad at Abilene.
So I'm saying, like, we need both, so I can do both. So
He's tried 2 race car programs before.
I'm not. Yes, but also,
Now he's gonna make it 3.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That was a little different though. With 2 race car programs, I was really, really focused on going out and being the fastest guy, and that's all I cared about.
And we know that's not the case.
I want faster than your BMW.
Yeah, the daily.
All I cared about was just going out and like I wanted to finish. I wanted to be in the finals. I wanted to win. I don't care anymore. I care. I want to win, but that's not my priority anymore. I just want to have fun. I just want to go hang out, make memories, to do some cool, rad stuff that not everybody gets to do.
About a contest.
With that, to tell us what that sensor
What
is?
that sensor is for a shirt.
I'll give you a koozie.
A koozie.
I'll give you a
You
koozie.
cheap bastard!
Bro, I'm poor right now. I'm trying to do this and my race car.
What the hell is this?
What is that sensor? A koozie, bro.
koozie.
Hey, train
Alright,
koozie.
so they're getting a koozie if they can tell us what this sensor is.
Duraspark.
Durable.
Ignition tested. That has to say tough. I was trying to figure out because the G's melted. So, tested tough. Look at that old ass sticker.
It's pristine.
It really is in pretty good shape.
What size is it?
I think it's an
Motor crap.
7. Sure, it doesn't go to anything because it's plugged right here. Cody, you see this? Normally, if something has power, the wires that go to
Is
it.
that the only wires?
Yeah. That is it.
That looks like a fresh mount job.
Come here, I'm going to show you a fresh mount job. Hey, Preston is on my YouTube kind of nonchalantly, you're still on the YouTube, Preston.
Yeah.
Hi, what's...
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
All right, why don't you reveal that?
What in the heck is living under there?
I'm getting secondhand smoke over here.
Give you $1 if you eat it.
I'm not eating that for a
Is that honeycomb?
Yeah, it's honey.
Are you gonna get new lower radiator hose, or are you gonna leave that one?
I'm gonna get new trans lines. I'm gonna leave that coolant hose because it's kind of cool. Lit.
Coolant.
Ah.
Right, you peed yourself.
What size do you think the
Sorry guys, I had to go.
1071 on the LS.
I'm fixing to buy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My boys,
I'm in a real dilemma.
my boys at BDS.
I want to build a LS with the roots blower on it and sell my big block for my Vega.
That'd be a deal.
Chop those motherfuckers. Why are you trying to undo those? Just chop them motherfuckers off.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I ain't gonna use them lines. That'd be good. I'm gonna put AN lines on it. We'll put some nice AN lines on it. I'll put a little trans cooler on it.
Trans cooler. Radiator with the inlet and outlet on the same side.
And that'll
so
be,
they're just
because the
right in
radiators,
there.
when you buy a radiator without a trans cooler, it's way cheaper.
Yeah. But then you have to buy a transfer.
What do you got there?
Yeah, and I'll just buy a trans cooler. Put the trans cooler in the back.
Yeah, it's in the back.
We're gonna put the trans cooler somewhere over there.
Yeah. Put it right in front of the back tire.
Give her a good squeeze.
Look,
Can
dude,
you do it?
this right here, bro. This is me being smart, using this big old head for something else. Because not only are we gonna disconnect it, but we're also gonna pinch it so it don't leak.
He thinks he's strong enough.
Why? Strong enough to get you in there. Look at, see? Exactly what I told you guys was gonna happen. Sealed, signed, shield, delivered. Here, let's see if you here. Here, bro. You'd be talking shit. Let's see. If
I'll
you
do
can
it while I'm
One hand.
recording.
Come on.
One-handed.
Let's see it. You go to the gym all the time. Only thing I do be eating Doritos.
And big burrito.
Can't do it, bro. You can't do it, bro. You be.
That's the problem. I was on the tip.
Oh, my.
Hey, you guys saw I did it with one hand.
Damn.
Yours is leaking. Too.
I was
Mine
on this.
leaked. That's not my fault. You don't know how to use pliers. What was that? What? Yeah.
He didn't want to use the wood bit,
Look, we got a brand new metal bit, bro.
and he's gonna break it.
I'm gonna break it. Look, let's sharpen it.
Oh, hell.
Now it's not even gonna cut.
Not cutting metal.
It's over there.
Oh, Frankenstein race car over here? Shoot. Wonder what that's doing.
Just for me. Look at that.
Who needs a hood prop when you have a ratchet strap?
I'm gonna hold it like it was a machine gun, bro.
I'm recording.
Oh, you said you were taking a picture. I fucking died.
30 business days later.
Are we gonna get a little refreshment and then we're gonna get to cutting, boys? Can't cut nothing without our heat wave safety.
Hold on. No, leave him out. Let me get a focus. Oh, Bubba.
Them heat wave safety spectacles right there, boy. I'll tell you what. Oh, look, right now I'm like a solid 7.5. You know what I mean?
7.5. What do you mean?
Shut up. To feel the breeze blowing my hair right now.
That may be up to you another half point.
Yeah, that,
But you're still sitting at like a 4.5.
dude, come here. But I feel like our Sawzall don't have like a lot of RPM. You got different Sawzall here? Yeah. You got a Sawzall? Get that big block nitrous Sawzall out, boy. Let's nitrous salt this song. Dude, listen to the difference in this right here. Rascal just freaking hooked us up with a kit on this. See, it's still a D-wall. It's the same Sawzall. We didn't move nothing. It's the same one. Got a little NX on it. Listen. Oh, you can hear the VTEC pop on that one, boy.
bend it the other way.
That's gonna break.
What happened?
I'm out of bullets.
Oh, she gonna come off over here. I bet the back had to hurt.
Dad, get on this bitch.
Yeah. Nah, she coming off. Look at that.
Eject your front end, cuz. Oh, sorry.
You're going nowhere.
It was the heat wave glasses, dude. They gave me like 17 extra horsepower.
Your car needs that. Dang, boy, she look good.
So this will all get cut off. This little rusty chunks that you guys see here. I know it looks like crap, but that's why I wanted to fix it. Because I wanted to get y'all something way cooler than a rust bucket. It might have a couple little spots throughout the body, but at least the drivetrain will be solid. Suspension will be solid. We'll be able to drive this thing to New York. I mean, it's got a 3-speed, so it might not be super happy driving in like New York, unless you live like in New York. You know, then it might be okay.
So when you say the strut tower, are you cutting it to
He's
like
gonna
the
cut,
front
right?
side or the back side?
Front side. He's gonna cut it basically right to like right here.
Oh, nice.
Right inside there.
Oh,
Move
right,
all the
right,
electronics.
right where that whole flange
Yeah,
is.
you can see the pinch weld there.
Yeah.
So.
Cut that front. Oh, wow, that's going to be easy for him. Take those pinch welds out. And...
Look under here. This is gonna be some of the stuff we're gonna replace. We're gonna get them rusty, dusty springs off. We're gonna take them old control arms, get them out of there. This old worn out, dusty suspension. It's got a newer, some kind of off-brand K-member. I'm not sure, but we're gonna put all this UPR goodness under there. So all that stuff's on the way. We'll get all that stuff in there. And while Preston has it, he actually has an 882 we're gonna pick up from him. So we'll be able to bring that back.
No
here.
more one-wheel peels?
No, they're gonna powder coat it gold. No, I'm just kidding. We're not powder coating the rear end gold. I'm just gonna
Just
we're gonna-
the housing, the
we're
cover.
gonna put some good heat paint on it, make it look all good, paint it black and all that. And I was actually thinking about maybe having Preston paint it while he has it, so it actually looks pretty good.
What color should the all the suspension components be?
I was thinking about powder coating it gold because I love gold. I'm gonna get the Dirty Dingo alternator bracket on here. My boy Brent owns Dirty Dingo, so I'm gonna
get
get
rid of
with him
this
and get rid of this
piece
big
of
old
trash.
chunk of yucky. That bracket alone being gone will make the whole front look a lot better.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's stock.
It's all getting fixed.
Yeah, we're gonna make it look nice.
Hey,
I wanted y'all to see the car like this, so when it's done, you're like, oh crap! Like they didn't just, you know, go out buy a little car and kind of put their name on it and give it to us. They actually worked on it, spent some time. Old Dad's gonna help me get the MSD box mounted and help me on some wiring. I suck at wiring. Me and wiring are not homies. So best believe all that Nitrous Express stuff will be all hooked up by Dad over there, Rascal Motorsports, Hicks Off-Road. Shout out to them guys too. Without them, Hicks Off-Road and Rascal Motorsports, we wouldn't even have this awesome facility to be able to do this. So way more room, way more light, man, this is awesome. So shout out to them guys for sure. Thanks, Dad. Always having our back and helping us work on this crap. Let's get this thing back and get it running right first. And then we'll worry about making a little more power if we need.
A little more power,
Let's
some nicer
see-
stuff.
Let's see, man. We need y'all to go get some more merch. Y'all go get some merch.
Where do you
so
go?
Y'all can win this. Go to HeyTrainFox.com. You can buy this shirt right here.
Do they get that dirty ass one?
No, I mean, if they want it, if they want this musty, dusty one, I'm going to send it to you.
Yeah, I can smell you from here.
Yeah. Or look, you can get this one.
Oh yeah, I forgot I was wearing this.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, whoever
Is
designed
that, can they get that one dirty too? Or they don't want
Oh,
that
is it
one for
dirty?
sure. They definitely don't want it. Yeah, how is it dirty? He didn't do nothing.
He didn't do shit.
Why is it?
At all.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah,
So,
I was just laying on the ground. Held the camera. Nice.
all right, next time you guys see this thing, it's gonna look a little bit different. We're gonna have a new front end on it, new core support. Preston's gonna work his magic on these dusty bumpers too. We didn't even talk about that yet.
Oh yeah.
Preston's gonna work his magic.
We're getting rid of the yellow, guys. I convinced him.
I'm really trying to keep the patina of the car, so Preston's gonna try to see what he can do with the bumper, making it look a little better. I don't want to paint the car because I love how it looks.
If it was just a matching white that didn't have yellow, and then you got rid of the yellow in the grill as well. It'd make this car look a million times better.
Yeah, the only problem is this is off-white now.
I think it's just off-white because it needs to be buffed. I bet that'll come back nice. I bet you.
I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna let him work his magic. We're gonna see what he can do. He really is amazing at what he does. He's fixed a lot of crazy stuff on my car that I thought would never look the same. So I have no doubt in his capabilities.
Front and rear bumpers, right?
Yep, both bumpers, front and rear. We'll get suspension on it. Next time you see it, we'll have the suspension. We won't be putting it on yet because we want y'all to hang out with us while we rip all this old, dusty, crusty, rusty stuff off.
Yeah, zoom into it.
All that stuff off, get all this UPR stuff put on. Anyway, make sure y'all go to HeyTrainFox.com so you can grab y'all some merch and you can be cruising this thing down the highway when it's all done. Remember, I'm going to be bringing it to whoever wins it. We're going to hang out. We're going to go do some burnouts, donuts, whatever y'all want to do. Don't forget to tell your granddaddy and your grandma, everybody, their neighbors. I want you to go to the back door right now. Go outside your house, open the back door, and yell as loud as you can. Go to HeyTrainFox.com and buy some stuff because you can win a Foxbody. Like, subscribe, and share.